What's the date today? I don't know. Why don't you go check the calendar? Oh, Dad, why do I have to go every day? Why can't you just move it up? I got a better idea. You know what we can do? We can make a manually changeable calendar. Wow, Dad, let's do it now. Let's do it now.
Hello, welcome from SSS Magic. We are happy to be back again today to show you a video on how to make a manual calendar. The manual calendar looks something like this. As you can see, it's got the days of the month, it's got the day of the week, and it's got the month at the bottom. This is an interesting piece, and we will show you step by step of how we are going to make the individual pieces. Let us first take out the individual pieces. It's got two cubes. It's got two cylindrical tubes for the days of the week. And it's got three longer ones for the days of the month. Let's put this aside. Let's start off with the cube. If you recollect, we had made a cube in one of our previous videos. Something like this. This is a six-sided figure made of 6 units. Each individual unit will look like this. Please refer to our previous video on how to make these individual units and how to assemble the cube. We will provide the link to that particular video in the description of this particular video. Once you make the cube, you can choose to either write the numbers directly, or you can do it as we have done here by using a contrast color and writing out the numbers and sticking them on the different sides of the cube. Let me tell you what's the order that we are following in terms of the numerals. For the first cube, it's very simple. Select 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then to the left of the number 1, enter 0. And to the right, enter the number 5. For the other cube, we'll start with 0, 6, 7, and the number 8. To the left of the number 0, you have the number 1, and to the right, you have the number 2. Once you make these two cubes, you can keep them aside. Then we will make the long 4-sided cube to show the various months of the year. As you can see, there are 4 of them, and we have 12 months in a year, hence we need 3 of them. The way to make this is, take a piece of paper, cut out 4 square rectangular pieces as shown, stick them onto the piece of paper, and then you can join them like this. Once you have the basic shape completed, you can choose to color them, give different color combinations, or even write them with dark felt pens. What we have done here is use different color combinations and then written for each of the months of the year. Likewise, for the days of the week, we have 2 smaller cubes because we have 7 days in the week. Hence, we have chosen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in one, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the other. The way to assemble the particular calendar is, let's start off with the months that we don't need. So we'll push them inside. Because we are in the month of April, we put April down. Today is 11th, so we are going to put the number 1 from one of the cubes. Then we are going to select again the number 1. Because today is a Sunday, we take Sunday, and then we put the other one inside. Adjust them. There you can see we have a manual calendar. The box itself is made of cardboard. You can choose to design them as you please. The main objective is to make sure that the cubes fit in there. You can also decide to make the months and the days of the week also in the form of a cube. It's left up to your imagination. Have fun making this particular manual calendar. Please do provide your feedback on how you have understood the instructions so that we can also improve. Please do share with your friends and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.